Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 184. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 7. No help here, 1, 7, 8. And no help here, 1, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this bottom row, we're just missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7. No help here, 1, 5, 7. And no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and a 7 here, so this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. And that 7 makes this our 1. So now we can get rid of this one, and this one. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 7. 7 here, so 1, 8. 1 here, so 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 3, 6. 2 here, so 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, and 6 here. So this is our 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 3 here and the 7 here, so 6, 8. 7 here, 6 here, 8 here. Means this is our 3. 6 and 8 here means this is our 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 1, 7. All right. If we look at this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here. Makes this our 2. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. And with that 7, that makes this our 1, 3, right. For this box now, we're still missing 1 and 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. Oh, and that 3 makes this our 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. And so to finish out this box, we're missing a 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.